Tonight, one of you will win the title of Head of House. Tonight's Head of House challenge will have 2 levels. In level 1, you will play in batches. The ladies will compete against one another, while the gentlemen will play against their fellow gents. There are buckets of water in the arena. There are also tables with red cups and containers bearing colored balls. All you have to do is use the red cup to fetch water from the buckets and fill up the container till the water rises above the marked spots. When the water in the container reaches the required level, the ball in the container will rise to the top. When this happens, all you have to do is use your breath to blow the ball out. Just exhale and blow the ball to the floor. Welcome to the final level. At the sound of the buzzer, you must pick your spoons and use them to lift 2 balls simultaneously. 1 ball per spoon. Thelma Lawson. That was a spectacular performance. Former Head of House Jason J. Kindly give your badge to your successor.